Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Facebook Marketplace pricing. Begin by researching your target market. Understand the average prices for similar items in your category. Use Facebook Marketplace to check listings and see what others are charging. Identify price ranges based on condition, brand, and demand. Determine your costs, including purchase price and any additional expenses. Decide on your desired profit margin. Choose a competitive pricing strategy, such as cost-plus pricing or market-based pricing. Consider using psychological pricing, such as pricing items at $9.99 instead of $10. Set initial prices slightly higher to allow for negotiation. Highlight the unique features or benefits of your item in the description. Be prepared to adjust your prices based on feedback and sales performance. Monitor your listings regularly for competition changes. Engage in local groups or forums for insights on pricing trends. Evaluate your sales results after a few weeks. Adjust your strategy as needed based on what works and what doesn't. Continue learning about market trends to stay competitive. Remember to update your listings periodically to keep them fresh. Utilize promotions or discounts for quick sales if needed. Keep customer service in mind to build positive reviews. Aim to build a reputation as a reliable seller for future sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.